Once again, a housewife tragically lost her life. The deceased housewife name is Asmita Debnath, 26 years of age. Incident took place at Aralia area. On Saturday, a housewife tragically lost her life. Her name is Asmita Debnath, age 26. Incident from Aralia area. After investigating the incident, it was learned that her husband's name is Abhijit Debnath, a resident of the Leshwar area. But the family have no idea regarding the incident. The family are disturbed and shocked after they got the information regarding the incident. Police rushed to the spot on receiving the information about the incident and started taking investigation to this case. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.